Hello folks, welcome back. Man, what a crazy week. Oh, this video almost didn't happen. I actually had another cook plan that kind of fell through. I went scrambling, and a question I had recently was, have you ever done fried green tomatoes in your air fryer? And no, I did fried pickles recently, turned out really good. I'm gonna use a similar concept on this and just do some air fried green tomatoes in here. Felt that I didn't have any. I went scrambling to find some, couldn't find any. My good buddy Jerry came up with some out of his garden, dropped them off today, literally as he was on his way out of town for work. So thank you, Jerry. Let's get cooking these guys. Okay guys, they're not very big, but in a bind, I'm gonna take them. They brought me plenty. I think we'll be fine though. I think we'll be just fine. Give these, I'll make some fried green tomato chips. We'll go that route. All right, I'm gonna get these sliced up, and we'll get back over here to our seasonings. All right, get this bad boy finished up. Hey guys, told you I was scrambling for this one because I kind of didn't go as planned, but that's okay. I just got some eggs, 3 eggs here in the dish. I'm gonna add a little milk to it. A bit more. Break down the yolk and get her mixed up. Very simple. Over here I just got some all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna season this up some with just some of this Emeril Lagassi's essence. Love this stuff, guys. I've used this before on here. I used to make my own. Then Emeril started bottling it himself. Good stuff. I'll give this a good mix. Alright guys, very simple. Going in, I'm gonna drop a few on in here in the batter just to get her moving. One at a time. Soak it and into the flour, you know the deal. We're just gonna get them all coated up really good. I'll show you another one. In here, let's get it coated in the batter. You can use breadcrumbs. That's actually what I was planning until I realized I was out of breadcrumbs. But that's okay. We're gonna get her done. Alright guys, I'll do the rest of these and get back to you. Finish these bad boys up. Let's get them in the air fryer. Got my crisper tray out here. I'm gonna hit this with a little oil just on the bottom for sticking purposes. I don't think I'll have a big issue. And I'm gonna hit the tops of these just a little bit. I'm gonna turn these upside down if I can remember that in our crisper tray. Get as many in as we can. I'll have a second one if needed. Alright, it's gonna work out good. Let me hit the tops of these and I'll fill up that second tray. There's not a lot of oil. Let's repeat what we have left here on the second tray. Good deal. Okay, I've gone ahead and preset this to 400 degrees on the air fryer setting, and I'm putting 25 minutes on there. I'm just gonna watch it. I don't really know how long it's gonna take, so let's go ahead and get this thing heated up. Alright, let's get this thing going. We'll check back in a little bit, guys. Turn the light on here. I don't know how much you can see. Roughly 10 minutes in here. Looks like they're coming along. Not quite. I'm gonna let them go for about, we'll check about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and we should be about there. All right, let's go. pause this just for a second. I just want to get a look at these. I might just rotate these as well. Take a look at this bottom rack. Let's take a look at the top rack. Looks like we're coming along. These are not as tender as I want them, although they're loosening up. Alright, I'm going to rotate these guys out. I don't know why. Look at that flour coming up there. This top, these two to the bottom. Do a quick clean up. And it'll be perfect. It's hot. Get her going again. Alright guys, let's check this thing out. I like some better than others already. Very tender, guys, very tender. I don't know if you can see that, a little browning there. You know, I might let this go another 5 minutes. Maybe. I think I am. Another 5 minutes, I think it's gonna do us. Bear with me. Hit it again. Alright, let's take them. I think we're there, guys. Definitely know we're there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, yeah. Go down. Can you see that? I don't know how the focus is of the lighting. We are definitely there. Let's get these off here, guys. I'm going to get my family fed, and we'll come back and we'll give these things a taste. That's a new air fryer experience for me, but it sure does look good. Let's give it a try. These are almost chips like. There were some small tomatoes. Can't wait to taste it though. It looks pretty good. Alright. So I think I'm gonna heat these like a chip. They're soft like the fried green tomato would be normally, but a little crust on there. Give us a taste. Definitely a fried green tomato. That's good. Little crust there. Got this, I'm gonna also try this. You've seen me use this before. It's the Sweet Baby Ray's, the Ray's secret sauce. Great on fried foods in general. Let's try it there. Definitely, also good. Guys, thank you. Wow, I'm gonna do another one real quick. Good stuff, guys. Thank you so much. This was fun. Kind of scrambled. I'm not going to tell you what I was going to cook, but it kind of fell through. Things didn't work out. So thanks to my buddy Jerry for supplying me with some very quick green tomatoes for this cook. I've had some questions on it. I wanted to do it. I may address it again when I'm not quite as rushed, but for now, it did turn out good. Great flavor. That Emeril's essence is always good. So guys, thank you again. Guys, hit that subscribe button for us. Hit like. Always helps us, and hit that little bell down there. That lets you know every time I get a video going. So guys, thanks again. God bless you. We will see you on the next video, guys. God bless. Bye-bye. You need to what? You got to poop? Well, go ahead. You go ahead. You holler when you're done. That'll grow great on my video.